Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is the measures of the angle of quadrilateral is 1:2:3:4. What is the measure of the largest angle? Here we have given ratio of angles of a quadrilateral which is 1:2:3:4. Let the angles be x, 2x, 3x, 4x as sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So here it will be x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x is 360 degree, which implies x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x means 10x is 360 degree. So divide both the sides by 10, we get x equals to 36 degree. Hence, measure of the largest angle is 4x, means 4 into x is, here we found it as 360 degree. That is 4 into 360 is 144 degree. Hence our answer is 144 degree, and from available options, option A is 144 degree.